Hi, I'm Mark Abus with Dyn365 Pros, and today we're going to talk about how you integrate DynSOLAR365 with Dynamics 365 for sales. Let's get started. We introduced DynSOLAR365 in response to the solar industry's need for a streamlined solution for managing solar site visits, permitting, and installations. DynSOLAR365 brings data, process, and reporting onto a single integrated platform, enabling you to manage and report on your solar projects more efficiently. Integrating sales CRM with project management is a game changer for your business. DynSOLAR365 is built using Microsoft's Power Platform, meaning integration with sales and other Microsoft Cloud solutions is a piece of cake. Let's walk through the process of integrating Sales CRM with DynSOLAR365. To begin, contact Dyn365 Pros to purchase your Dynamics 365 sales licenses. Once added, these licenses will appear in your Microsoft 365 Admin Center. From there, your admin can assign the licenses to your sales users, enabling them to start selling. We'll configure Dynamics 365 for sales to support your process of managing leads and opportunities. Contact us today to ask questions or get started integrating DynSOLAR365 with Microsoft Dynamics 365 for sales. Thanks so much.